I have several of these Ring first generation motion sensors. I've had them for several years now, and I've been getting some false alarms from some of them. And when I check the battery voltage, it's a little bit lower than a new battery. So I've been replacing the batteries, and so far I haven't had a false alarm after I've replaced the battery on them. So these Panasonic CR123A batteries are the original batteries that came with the sensors several years ago. And this one here, for example, is at 3.048 volts. I ordered a 6-pack of these Amazon Basic replacement batteries, and brand new from the pack, they're 3.23 volts. So obviously these guys have gone down some amount. I haven't received any low battery warnings from the Ring app, but it's possible that the low battery is the cause for some of my false alarms. So as I've said, I have 3 of these guys, and this is the third that I've replaced the battery in. And before I replaced the battery on the other 2, I was receiving a few false alarms. One of them was also losing connection with the base station, but it was farther away. So if you're getting lost connections to the base station or false alarms, you might consider replacing the battery even if the app hasn't given you a low battery alert yet.